why IELTS candidates get stuck at Band 6 using real speaking test analysis, and how to get a Band 7. Most IELTS candidates think Band 7 requires advanced vocabulary or a native-like accent. That's wrong. In this video, I'm going to show you why so many candidates get stuck at Band 6. This analysis is based on real IELTS speaking test transcripts, not guesses and not theory, but real examiner evidence. One of the biggest problems seen again and again is sentence overload. Candidates try to put 5 ideas into one sentence. What happens? Grammar breaks. Ideas become unclear. The examiner hears rambling, not communication. This is why long sentences keep candidates at Band 6. Examiners do not reward complexity. They reward control, short sentences, and clear ideas. One example, that is Band 7 speaking. Another major reason candidates get stuck is vocabulary misuse. They try to sound advanced, but accuracy drops. Candidates say things like spreaded reputation, a lot of vocabularies, classified as the most loved. These sound advanced, but they are wrong. Small errors add up. Band 7 vocabulary is not fancy. It is accurate, simple word used correctly. Will always beat advanced words used incorrectly. Let's talk about fillers. Words like, so, yeah, used occasionally. They're fine, but used in every sentence, they destroy fluency. The examiner hears hesitation, not confidence. Silence is better than fillers. A short pause sounds controlled. Too many fillers sound nervous. Speaking part 2 is where Band 6 and Band 7 separate. Band 6 candidates panic, apologize, or say, I can't think of an example. That is dangerous. Band 7 candidates do something different. They choose a simple idea, give one reason, add one example. They do not aim to impress, they aim to communicate. Band 7 speaking is not perfect. It is controlled. Clear ideas, accurate grammar, natural pacing. Accent does not matter, control does. If you fix these basics, Band 7 becomes realistic. If you want more examiner-based IELTS speaking advice, subscribe to IELTS Education 25. This channel helps you move from Band 6 to Band 7 and beyond. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video at IELTS Education 25.